Hi everyone. I hope that you all are having a wonderful week so far. I wanted to take a couple of minutes to talk about something that we deal with quite frequently here at Lindgren Functional Medicine, and that's a hormone imbalance called estrogen dominance. When women have their first period as teenagers, their estrogen levels pop up very high and they stay elevated our entire adult lives until about the year around our last period. And then those levels can become very erratic before they become very low as women go through menopause. Progesterone doesn't do that. And progesterone is the hormone that offsets the effects of estrogen. Progesterone rises in our teenage years, and then it's supposed to match estrogen in our childbearing years. And then it starts to take a slow decline down as we head towards menopause. So women in their late 30s and 40s end up with a hormone imbalance quite similar to the hormone imbalance that they had as teenage girls, and that's where there's too much estrogen with respect to progesterone. Estrogen acts like a gas pedal, and if there's not enough progesterone to offset it, women can have symptoms of anxiety, depression, weight gain, insomnia, night sweats, really severe PMS, heavy periods, painful periods, ovarian cysts, infertility problems. Even for women that are in their 20s, who are supposed to be perfectly balanced, they can still have symptoms of estrogen dominance because of just either their genetics are such that their progesterone never came up to an appropriate level, or more commonly because they are being exposed to so many environmental estrogens that are difficult to measure. These are pesticides, herbicides, plastics, phthalates, bisphenol A, glyphosate or Roundup, the hormones that are injected into our food, soy. These are all things that bind to estrogen receptors and turn them on and can cause these symptoms of estrogen dominance when it's not even supposed to be there. If you are a woman that is struggling with symptoms that sound like estrogen dominance, we can actually fairly easily mitigate this with avoidance of xenoestrogens, or these toxins in our environment, with natural bioidentical progesterone given either in an oral or a topical formulation, along with supplements like B vitamins, extracts of cruciferous vegetables, indole-3-carbinol, diindolylmethane, something called calcium diglucarate, chaste tree. These are all things that can mitigate those symptoms in a very natural way so that women just feel more balanced. If you are struggling with symptoms of estrogen dominance, please contact us at lindgren.health. Have a great day, everyone.